Mastering your Costco Citi card payments, especially when you prefer using your debit card, is simpler than you think, and I'm about to show you exactly how. First things first, you'll want to access your account online. Head over to the Citibank website. Look for the login section. Usually prominently displayed on the homepage, enter your username and password carefully if you're new to online banking with Citi. You might need to register your card first, which is a straightforward process outlined on their site. Alternatively, the Citibank mobile app is your on-the-go payment hub. Download the official Citibank app from your device's app store once installed. Open it and log in using your credentials. The app is designed for ease of use, allowing you to view your balance, check recent transactions, and most importantly, make a payment. Now, let's get to the payment itself within your online account or the mobile app. Find the option that says, Make a Payment, or Pay Bills. Click on that. You'll see options for how you want to pay. Select the option that allows you to link a bank account or use a debit card. This is where your debit card comes into play. You'll be prompted to enter your debit card information. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the security code, CVV. Found on the back, you might also have the option to link a bank account directly and designate it as your payment method, in which case you'll typically need your bank's routing and account numbers. Be sure to select the correct payment amount. Usually, it defaults to the statement balance, but you can choose to pay the minimum or a custom amount. Once you've entered all the necessary debit card details and confirmed the payment amount, review everything carefully. Then, submit your payment. You should receive a confirmation message after your payment is processed. And it's always a good idea to save a screenshot or note of the confirmation number for your records. For ultimate convenience and to avoid late fees, consider setting up automatic payments within your online account or the app. Look for the automatic payments or autopay section. You can choose to have your statement balance, minimum payment, or a fixed amount automatically debited from your linked bank account or debit card on your due date each month. This ensures your payments are always on time. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your Costco Citi credit card payments using your debit card, whether you prefer the desktop or mobile experience, and even automate it for peace of mind. Happy spending and smart paying.